Hey, welcome back. Today I want to show you how I removed ink from my dryer. This morning our dryer had a little explosion with the ink pen, and so I tried different methods, different chemicals to try to get out the ink. By far, this orange oil by now was the best solution. I was looking for something that was non-toxic, no harsh chemicals, and no extra cleanup. Afterward, your clothes smell really good, so it's a win-win. You will need paper towels, orange oil, magic eraser, and a little bit of elbow grease. I started out by applying the oil to a paper towel. And then here's all the ink covered in the dryer. So let me show you a little spot that we can do first. So here's the oil on my paper towel. Just rub back and forth. This gets the top coat off really well, and we'll come back later and get the rest of it. Here is the first coat wiped with the orange oil. Now I've taken my magic eraser and I've added a little bit of orange oil and water to it. Here I'm going to scrub. And there you have it. Clean, non-toxic way of getting the ink out of your dryer. And it smells like wonderful citrus orange oil. I have wiped it down with just a wet rag. And now it is shiny and bright.